Okay, we'll play that after ditong Anis. Kay Sun and Moon. Malapit na matapos. So, ayun na nga. So, pero nung nag-30s na, oh my God! Bawal mamatay. Mayroon tayong mga priorities and responsibilities in life. Kailangan natin magdala ng, ewan ko sa mga lalaki pero sa yung mga babae, we always bring umbrella na whenever we're out or, alam mo yon, safety first. Diba? Paano na tayo gigising bukas kung hindi na tayo inuubo? Paano ka papasok bukas? Mabawasan yung sahot mo, eme. Ano rin sinasabi?
You make the flowers bloom, you make the stars collide. And I don't know what I did to get lucky like this, but it sure feels fine. Fine, baby, baby, you're my sun and moon. Girl, you're everything between.
Ano yung kanta ni Jane? Name mo before I fall.
But you're mine, girl. You make flowers bloom, you make the flowers bloom, you make the stars collide.
Bakit?
And I don't know what I did to get lucky like this.
Yung kaibigan ko na yan she's getting married.
Oh my.
Malapit na. So,
Oh my, oh my.
Jane, playing na! If you're still there.
My heart.
Ay, feeling ko ito na talaga yun. Jane, ito na yun. And she's a very good singer, guys. Ganito yung tone ng boses niya. Parang Mariah. Wait lang, chika ko lang. Nung, elementary hanggang high school. I think elementary lang. Nung high school, tinigilan niya na pagkanta ng Through the Rain ni Mariah. Kasi alam mo, sa school namin, parang palaging may, ewan ko, event ba yun? Basta pa something like that. Tapos siya, lagi na namin nire-request sa kanya yung Through the Rain ni Mariah. Ay, power. And I miss you if you're still there. Umiinom ng tubig. My love! Ay, feeling ko ito na talaga yun, Jane! Perfect ito, perfect. And thanks for posting the live. My love, how are you? Janet, thank you so much for tapping. I noticed you have.